Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, back again with another air frying recipe. Now today I'm going to show you how to make air fried onion rings. That's right, I'm going to take this onion and I'm going to make very crispy but non-greasy onion rings. So without further ado, let's jump right in. I'll show you how it's done. Before we do, I want to remind everyone, if you're looking for an air fryer like I use, expand this video's description and then click the link there, and you can find the air fryer, the accessories, the seasonings, and all the other recipes too. So the first thing you want to do is just cut your onion. And it's important to cut it in this direction because you're going to want to make onion rings. So just cut this. That's a decent amount of onion rings right there. So the next thing we're going to do is put them in our batter. You can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find this batter. Just a simple off-the-shelf batter that I found that really makes this a simple process. So I'm going to put some of this in a mixing bowl. And then after I put it in the mixing bowl, I'm going to run these through the sink really quick to get them a little wet. And that'll help the stuff to stick. So I ran those through the sink, put them in my mixing bowl, and then all you want to do is toss your wet onion rings around and coat them with this batter. And now all these have a good coating of batter. So what we're going to do is put them in my air fryer. So we got all that batter. And now we're going to do 390. I'm going to air fry for 390. It may take about 15 minutes, but we're going to check in on it. So there we go. Okay, we're going to pause this. It's at 6:13 and just kind of check things here. You can see they're already starting to get really crispy, so we may actually, wow, yeah, we just shake this up a little bit here. It's probably not going to take the 15 minutes. Probably just a couple more minutes. Okay, we're almost at the 10-minute mark. I don't think this is going to take the 15 that I originally thought. So we're going to pause it. We're going to pull out an onion ring here. Let me get something to pull it out with. Just want to show you how crispy this is right here. Look at that. Now, there's a few things I should have done, and this is important for you to know when you're making your air fried onion rings. You can see that powdery spot. Should have sprayed it with some olive oil, and then that would have resulted in crispiness all the way around. And should have tossed them more while they were cooking. And I probably should have wet the onions a little bit better to make the batter better stick. But with all that being said, this looks delicious. And we're going to give it a taste test here. Yes, sir. That is crunchy. I had my microphone on earlier, but I forgot to turn it on, so that's why the audio in this video is just coming out of the camera. It's probably not that good. But if I'd had that on, you could have really heard the crunch. Just a reminder, expand this video's description, and you can find a link there to order the air fryer, as well as find all my other air frying recipes. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. Thanks again for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. If you're looking for IrixGuy's Adventure Channel merch, like this t-shirt and a lot of other cool stuff, expand this video's description. You can find it all there. Y'all have a good day.